Okay, Dragon Quest 1 in English, Episode 12. I'm standing before the king at level 15. Now, in the last episode, the princess is saved. I saved the princess. What could be my next task? And I also want to focus on my English today. I've been skipping too many words lately, so I'll try to look them up and really understand the clues from the people in the castle. Yeah. And every time I read the first lesson, this Reproduction, thou art returned to us by my throat. I don't know this. So this time I look up P-R-O-T-H T-R-O-T-H Truth. Aha. Wise. Clever, like that. So by my what? Thou art returned to us by my wise, clever, something. Thou growest mightier with each passing day. Growest. I think I looked up for, but I forgot what the meaning. Growest. Grow, just grow. Thou is you, right? Thou growest mightier. You grow mightier with each passing day. Okay. Okay, so I grow stronger every day, like that. Okay. Maybe in the power of any man to deliver us from the Dragon Lord's tyranny, that man is surely. Thank you for mentioning every time. Very, this not without reason. That people do begin to dream of a brighter tomorrow. Earn another 91 points of experience and thou shalt attain a new level. Another 91 points. Okay. When thy level grows greater, come before me and record thine adventure, that thy progress might not be lost. My destiny bring thee before us again at wrong brave game. Okay. But 991 points. Maybe I should go out and level up first. And I remember someone was mentioning about dungeon here in Tantajo. What do I have? No status items. I wonder what this is. Princess Pledge. Gift from your beloved Princess Wedding. Unlimited use. The benevolent wind spare Princess Guardian wants to talk into waiting near Princess Guardian to attain the next level. My beloved. It tells how many points I need to level up. Okay. So 991 points. And what do I have? Magic key is 4, so I will get all magic keys here and loot. Yes, 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 yes. Now I have magic 6. When rain and sun twine to meet, the rain's vow shall a bridge complete. Thus spake the foretelling CHUNSOFT. I think someone around here. Focus on my memory. I could have sworn that the castle dungeon. Oh yeah. Castle dungeon was around here somewhere. No more information. Pass beyond this point at thy peril. Peril? What's peril? Peril? I don't know. Peril. Let me look up peril. Oh, danger. Pass beyond this point at your risk, at your responsibility, something like that. If thou hast not the utmost faith in the physical hardness, turn back before it's too late. Let's go. Oh. Thou didst reach this place is proof of thy fortitude, but although art thou strong enough to brave the grave of Garen? Yeah, I want to find the grave of Garen too. If thou wilt try thy metal, get thee to Garen home, and there press thee upon the wall of darkness till the path grows. Grave or dungeon? I have only 40? Okay, then. Again. Okay, then. Okay. Oh! Thou art king, art thou not? Praise be. Even have I known that the one descendant of the mighty Edric would one day visit me here. This stout chest doth house the holy Sunstone entrusted unto my care by thy most heroic ancestor. It is needed in thy quest to slay the dragon lord. Is it not? Then take it. Claim thy bright right. Oh! I got the stone, Sunstone. Yes. Yes. I got Sunstone, symbol of the sun in the heavens. Disappears when used. I can't use it. What order? I have no doubt. What will bring light unto? How long now have I kept my here? I grow tired. Soon must I take my rest. Okay. Where is he going? Oh, Oh, hello. Even I do well recall the face of mighty Eldred. Would you entrust the Sunstone unto me? Thou art the very spirit of thy story for beer. I beg of thee, brave King, bring peace unto our realm once more. Yes, I will. So, can I take these? I'm not a thief. Joys and ramages around the inside. Seed of life. Okay. Item. Use. Okay. Nothing anymore. Medical. Oh, not carry anymore. Okay. Wow. Oh. Okay. Someone was asking if I have a proof of Eldrick son or something. Yes. Without such grand claim when the petitionary assigns here, no the image. If thou art truly descended from either, thou must need proof of thy bright right. I do. Use Sunstone. Use nothing up. Oh, so this is not the place to use. Okay. I've forgotten to record the journey. I found this. I found this stone, so before losing it, let's say, oops. Oh, another 991 points. Yes. Okay, let's go. So now I go to the Garen home. Oh. And look for grave of the Garen. Right? Let's go. This way. Okay. Glow. Glow. Which way should I go? Oops. Okay. there's a there. There's still only. Is it the way to go? Okay, let's go. Wow, there are many exits. Is this where I came from? I guess. Yeah, I guess so. Maybe I'll start with the exit here. Okay. Let's start from here. Oh. Oh, there are another stair wall there. Okay, this is that end. Okay, let's go here. Oh. Okay. Okay. I have torch by the way. No. Oops. Oops. Hmm? Oh. Level 16. No spell. Okay. Hmm. This is where I came from. So I think there was. Oh, this is where we came from. So only the last one, last stairs is this. Oh. Isn't this the way I came from earlier? Oh, finally. Right of aisle. The great minstrel Karen's loved heart. Nari. Unlimited Tuesday, let's use it. Okay. Now I can visit the cave, the old man. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I can't read the grade. Okay. Okay. Should have been waiting. Next level, 2000. Okay. Okay, then let's go back. Oops. Oops. I forgot the way I came. Where did I come from? So now should I talk to on the way to open my door? I see it in oh no. Okay, I'll take a rest. Okay. Should I go back to the castle or should I go to the cave to give the hope? Let's give the hope. Door in position of the area. Thou say, long have we awaited the coming of one such as the Reproduction. Thy prize be in the chest over yonder. Thy prize. Okay. Open the treasure chest. Staff of rain. Ah, I see. Gravely pockets is fine. Item. He took the herb already. No. Yes, this is a herb. You don't play the herb. Okay. So now I go back to the castle to save the journey. Yeah. Then probably next is I go to the swamp cave again and use the rain thing. I don't know what it is, but then it will give a bridge probably. Okay, let's save. First, let's deposit. I don't know if it okay. Maybe I don't need to deposit E's and R's. Just in case. I don't know. Get more orbs here. Oh, okay. I can't get any more. Okay. Now I go back to the castle. Ah! I need one key. Hit the roll. Write down. How much? How many keys did I? Only one. Okay. One is okay. Then Okay. Okay. And now go back to the king to record the journey. Okay. 1826 points more. Okay. Record, yes. Continue, maybe no. Yeah, close this episode here, and next I'll try to use the rain or something. Yeah. So yeah, let's stop here. No. Okay, bye for now.